Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up.
Hey, Mark Rice here, and today I will share with you a few basic things how to start to work as a freelancer and make money as an artist. So the first and foremost is to be true with yourself and your affinities. That is why I suggest you play a little bit before you start earning money. Try different things from different segments of life. See what goes easy for you, what entertains you, and what is that helps you forget the time and place you're in. And then, when you find your holy grail, you're ready to make a blast with your career. Your career as an artist has to be fun and nothing else but that. Ways to make money will always change, but only if you stick to the fun part, you will be able to count on earnings. There is a golden rule in business: don't go to the client, let the client come to you. In that case, you will position yourself as an expert and you will not allow the client to think that he is about you, and the business will run smoothly. So this means that it's better to build a strong portfolio and reputation on social networks. I'm not saying that is bad, but as a long-term solution, a portfolio is a better option. Is it easy? It is, and it is not. It is not because it will take a lot of time and a lot of patience, but anyone you know that is successful has been through it. So let the client come to you. When a client comes to you, then you are ready for another golden rule in business. Let your price be high. That's right, be expensive. Many clients will give up, but trust me, you did yourself a favor. Those who like to be big pain in the neck will give up. Those who have no idea what they want and make work a real nightmare. And those who accept and think that you are worth a lot will make your job beautiful, and you will be motivated to create even more and even better. And don't be scared from the beginning, because bad work is one that has never been done, and everything else is more than great. Do it last a little bit every day, regularly, and you will be at the door of an amazing career. That's how every great artist started. That's how you will start too. If you are busy or have a day full of obligations, set aside at least half an hour a day. That is quite enough to make your life the way you always want to be. I suggest that if you are an artist, you upload your work to Behance. More or less every client has contacted me through that social network. When he contacts you, ask him to send you more information by email, and he comes to you. And there, you play by your rules. Use it to give value to the client without losing the fun and meaning that made you decide to be an artist and to create. Okay, so if you have an idea of what your start would like, share it with us in the comments so we can all come with the best way to success together. If you don't know how to master the skill, I will put links in the description. These are courses from which I have learned a lot, and I'm sure that you will master them with ease. Feel free to subscribe and say what you would like me to talk about in some of the following videos. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace.
Straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we